everyone! Welcome to Japan!
We're at a beautiful torii gate.
The cherry blossoms are falling!
Let's go explore.
Today's video, we will be
saying goodbye to Godzilla.
And hello, Mickey Mouse!
Let's go! Today we are exploring the free parts of Tokyo Disneyland and then off to Shibuya Crossing.
Wow, what a crowd! And next, a sake tasting at Chris Broad's Lost Bar. It's the first one ever. We've sent our luggage ahead and it will arrive tomorrow at our new hotel, the Shinjuku Mainstays Hotel.
Why the heck are we cartoons?
I don't know, and what is this?
Whoa, where's it going?
After it! When we got to Kyoto, we realized our memory card's case was missing.
We have no idea what happened to it.
I'm so upset.
We'll figure it out together.
So, we're using the little footage we have to tell our story. The good news is...
It rained at Disney when we were there, so we used our phones a lot.
So we will use this for the next videos to help relive our best memories. Stay positive!
Exactly! Making the most of it.
We have our digital Suica cards downloaded and loaded.
Now let's map our course for the train.
Let's go! Be sure to leave a comment. We would love to hear from you.
And let's get on with the video. We're heading to our new hotel now.
Yeah, we're walking to Shin-Uriasu Station, which is the closest to our hotel. These rentable workstations are available all over Tokyo. Very reasonable rates if you need a place to just have a sit or get some important work done.
Let's find the restrooms.
Okay, which way?
This way. If you're not sure how to use the facilities, they do have instructions just in case.
Oh, good to know.
So now we're changing hotels. We're heading to the Shin-Uriasu area. Passing Disney. The monorail. There's Hollow Tower Hotel. What's left of Space Mountain. Oh no, that's the Space Mountain. That's the volcano at Disney Sea.
We arrived at the station with no trouble at all. The trains are really pretty easy to navigate.
We stored our backpacks in a locker and explored the shop.
You're in a shopping mall.
Look, a grocery store for later.
So without our bags and it not time to check in yet, we thought it would be a good idea to go explore the free, non-ticketed parts of Tokyo Disneyland.
Yeah, not doing that one. Look, it's a monorail.
I can't believe we're finally in Tokyo.
I know! And look, the hotel is right across from the park.
Wow, that's so convenient. What's it called?
Hotel. It's themed to match the park's Victorian entrance.
There goes the monorail.
Adam the Woo, thank you for your inspiration and good-heartedness. You will be missed.
Just hit 1,000 subscribers!
We are glad to have you with us on our escapes and so happy to be able to bring you these adventures.
If you have not yet subscribed, please join us. It's free.
Hit that subscribe button and notification bell and you will be notified of new videos.
Let's hit the Disney shop.
Yeah, and look, the monorail.
Wow, amazing merchandise.
So much to see.
Tokyo Disneyland Bon Voyage store. Really cool Mickey watch. really adorable little Baymax things here. Kitchen implements. And these are also super cute. Just came across the partner statue. I like this a lot because I used to take pictures outside of it all day long.
At the Tokyo Disneyland Resort, we found a McDonald's.
Japanese McDonald's is something everyone should try.
We placed our order, we picked some crazy items. The Disney McDonald's had some totally wild choices, including teriyaki burgers.
We had to try some standard items too, like a Big Mac.
It's really delicious and different.
Yeah, it's amazing.
Let's try these shaka shaka fries.
Yeah, let's do it.
Brilliant.
Right? So good. It's time to walk this meal off.
Let's head to our hotel. It's time to check in.
Good idea.
After our first taste of Disneyland, we were so excited.
And tomorrow, our first experience inside the parks.
So let's go pick up our bags from our locker and go check into our hotel.
We have a huge room by Japanese standards, and we can't wait to see our new place to call home for 3 nights.
So we are all checked in,
Awesome.
and here is a full tour of our room.
Let's go.
So here's a room tour of our room last night. The room 201 in the MyStay Shinyuriasu Conference Center. It's a really large room, especially compared to the room we had last night, or previously. We've been here for about 3 days now, doing our Disney stay. This hotel is only 1 train stop up from the Disney, from Tokyo Disney and Tokyo Disney Sea, so it was very convenient. But as you can see, it's a very large room. So as you walk in, you turn to the left, there's just a mirror and some hangers and place to hang your stuff. One of the sets of lights, and this is a remote for the air conditioner. You have to point it at the air conditioner for it to actually do anything, but it works real well. There's a desk here, and they give you a little card so you can connect to their Wi-Fi. They put a cable in here that you can use to charge your devices if you don't have a Japanese adapter. A nice chair and business center for you to do any work that you might need to do while you're here. There's a safe over here in this closet. And then a TV, smaller than the last place. We didn't use it again. Not watching a lot of Japanese television. There's a nice couch. It's very hard, but it will do the job for what you need to do. There's an extra air conditioner as well, and a dehumidifier. Nice bed, decent sized. Looks like I believe it's a queen size. Not super soft, but it did the job. Pillows were slightly more comfortable than the ones at the Hotel Gracery, but not a ton more. And then there's this nice slatted dividing area here. Oh, and of course a pants press, which so far seems standard in Japanese hotel rooms, and a bedside table. There isn't a ton of outlets in this room. The only outlets in this room over here by the mini fridge, there's one, and here's a mini fridge and a rice cooker. And then over here is a shower and bathroom. It's a wet room, so you can shower here and bath or however you like. Total wet room.
Whoa, Robin.
I am having a bubble in this huge tub.
I see that. Enjoying it? Ah, relaxing. Let me rinse your hair.
Okay, thanks.
Oh, whoa, it's going crazy.
Be careful.
I can't hold it.
You're so...
And then the other outlets in the room are over here on the desk. So there's an outlet strip here, so you can put in, whatever adapters you do or do not need. That's the main source of power room. And then under the desk, there's one that the air conditioners and dehumidifiers and whatnot have been plugged into if you need. A separate toilet room with a sink, a hair dryer. I'm assuming this must be an accessible room because there's lots of accessible features, but whether it is or not, there's an accessible feature. And then of course the bidet. This was a bit of a change for us. There's a large green button here. This is not flush. This is a call for assistance. We hit that once accidentally, and they came running, and we apologized, and they said, "Oh, no worries, everybody does it." And then of course the console, the flush was actually the 2 buttons on top.
So now we have explored our new room. Let's go to Shibuya.
Got your Suica card?
Well, then let's go get our trains.
Yeah, on our way to Tokyo Station.
The next stop is Nagatacho, Seat 4. Next change here for the number of the inside.
Now this is pretty cool. This is a fresh, real, actual banana vending machine. They sell bananas, like real bananas, just in the train. Incredible.
This must be the Hachiko statue
The symbol of loyalty.
and a meeting spot.
A beautiful story.
The Hachiko statue sits right outside Hachiko exit.
It's a beloved meeting spot reminding us of loyalty and love.
This bronze memorial honors Hachiko, an Akita dog who waited every day for his owner.
In 1925, Ueno died at university. Hachiko didn't know. He waited for nearly 10 years.
Until his own death in 1935.
That's Hachiko. Sure I'm saying his name wrong, but that's him.
And then we crossed Shibuya Crossing.
Whew, we made it!
Other than the 200 gazillion people, it was pretty cool.
Let's go see the rest of Shibuya.
Japanese pigeon walking down the street, looking for a piece of cheese to eat.
This is amazing. What's next?
Sake tasting at Chris Broad's Lost Bar. I think the speakeasy gachapon door is on the second level.
Let's go. I can't wait to see it.
There it is.
I found the spot that we're going to our sake tasting at the Lost Bar in Shibuya. This is the secret door, and we have to open it, but we're a little bit early yet, so we're not going to open it yet.
While we were waiting,
This possibly famous Japanese man came out of a tea room next to Lost Bar.
anyone out there know who this is?
Same camera. There you go.
Yeah, we're early, so we didn't want to just come over.
Sure.
Yeah, no worries.
Sure, we're here.
We still got another 7 minutes so before you're supposed to ride. No worries.
네, 저는 됐어요. 저희 외할머니 제가
저희가 어떻게 해요? 호칭을
과장님,
과장님, 잘 부탁드립니다. 네. 요분은 현지 PD인 박상근 PD예요. 예. 예. 일본으로 좀 필요한 거 있으시면 여기 요청하시면 도움을 드리도록 하겠습니다. 혼자 가시는 줄 알았는데. 카드 카드 없었잖아요, 지금. 아까 커피 비싸게 써놨는데 그러신 거 아니에요? 이거 오른쪽 이거 올라가는 거.
짠해.
미안해.
He was so friendly and we said, Johnny.
Just then, we were welcomed into the Lost Bar. Welcome to the Sake Masterclass
Wow, our table.
and the Sake Sampler. We're excited to learn about sake. Great! It starts with polishing the rice. Nihonshu, the real name for sake. Whoa, really?
You know, both those types, or you know, and what is the difference between those types?
The thing is, it is with Japanese whiskey, and you don't age in different types of vessels like you do with whiskey. It's generally just the bottle or the stainless steel tank. But it's definitely something to go out in Japan. You have to salt the food to be able to carry it over long distances, so the food would end up being very salty. So the sake is made very salty and delicious.
We learned so many things about sake, how it is made, and the samples were fantastic.
But it wouldn't be complete without Chris Broad's favorite cheese.
And it was delicious. Correct, fabulous cheese.
Yes, top quality. Best ever.
Rich.
And nutty.
I think the breweries hang outside, display outside, to tell people living nearby, now the sake is ready, the new sake is ready for the And then the colour changes from green to brown. So more often than not, you probably see brown ones, okay? But whether it's brown or green, these sugidama, as they're called, sugidama, are the symbol of sake. They will, if you see them, you know.
Anyone looking to experience this sake masterclass should absolutely give this a try. Find something to eat. Time to soak that sake up.
Got a 10 yen pancake. It's a pancake in the shape of a 10 yen coin. Okay. It is very warm. And it is stuffed with cheese. Wow. Wow. Look at that pull. Holy crap. What does it taste like? Hot.
Like a pancake stuffed with cheese?
Really?
Yep.
Huh. It seems to be only in the center.
It is.
Are you recording?
I am.
Okay. Yum. It does. It tastes like a pancake with cheese in the middle. 10 yen.
Very good.
Coin. That's what they call
It was 500 yen.
500 yen, yeah. It's cheap.
Yeah.
Snack. Yum.
Excuse me. For school, can I ask you some questions in English?
Of course.
Yeah, absolutely. Thank you.
I'm taking a video. Thank you so much. Bye.
Tired from our big transitional day? Let's hop the train back to Shinjuku.
Good idea. But on the way, the grocery store.
Yes, we need snacks and dinner.
All right, let's head to Shibuya Station.
Okay, I have my Suica card ready.
Me too. Here we go.
To the platform. So ready to put our feet up, have a bath, some dinner, and get some rest for Tokyo Disney Sea tomorrow.
Definitely. It's going to be amazing.
We wanted to thank you for coming on this journey with us.
Be sure to tune in next time for Disney Sea. Bye for now.
Come along and escape!